Very good morning, students. And today's session is on subject-verb agreement. Every student should have a thorough knowledge on this particular concept so that they can easily answer correction of sentences in the examinations. And every student knows the common rule that a singular subject takes a singular verb and a plural subject will take a plural verb. But there are few exceptions which every student has to remember. See the examples that are there here. One of my friends, it takes only a singular verb. See the second example. One of my uncles, don't get confused by the word uncles, which is in plural. So what he wanted to convey is there is one person among his uncles. So that is only a singular subject. See, you can think in such a way, the garden of flowers. So here I am mentioning only about the garden, but not about the flowers. So see the third example, one of my aunts, among my all aunts, one of my aunts is a teacher. So since it is a singular subject, it has taken a singular verb. And see the second one, the aunt, see this example, the aunt who is irritated today is usually very good. Here there is a phrase, you may get a phrase or you may get a clause between the subject and the verb. But your concentration should be only on the subject of the sentence. See here, the aunt, this is a singular subject. So the aunt is usually very good. So you don't worry about who is irritated today. Similarly, the gift, this is a singular subject, which the mother gave her children. Okay, let the phrase, let the clause be there. But you have to focus only on the subject, the gift. Since it is in singular, it has taken a singular verb, is. And see the third one. As you know, if a subject is made up of 2 or 3 nouns, then definitely it takes a plural verb. Krishna and Susmita, there are 2 nouns which are combined as a single subject. It is that subject is made up of 2 nouns. Then definitely they take a plural verb. Krishna and Susmita are studying in a college. Similarly, sugar and spice. This particular subject is made up of 2 nouns, so it has taken a plural verb. Dogs and cats. This is also a subject which is made up of 2 nouns, so it has taken a plural verb, are. And see this one, when 2 subjects are joined together by, as well as, with, in addition to, and not, the verb attached along is chosen according to the first subject. So this is a very, very important thing that every student has to remember. My friends as well as I. So what is important here? You have to consider only on the first subject. What is the rule? If there are 2 nouns and if they are joined by, as well as, in addition to, then you have to focus on the first one. So since my friends is in plural, it has taken a plural verb. Now see here, he with his friends, with his servants. Here, he is a singular subject, so it has taken a singular verb. See the third example, the teacher, in addition to the students. Here, in addition to the students, you don't worry about the students, focus on the teacher because these two are combined by means of in addition to. So since the first subject is the teacher, it has taken a singular verb. The words such as each, every, either, neither, and many a are followed by a singular verb. See the examples here. Either of the two girls, though the girls are in plural, when the words such as each, every, either, neither are followed, they definitely take only a singular verb. So either of the two girls, since either is there, it has taken only a singular verb, is. See the second example. Neither of the 5 boys is eating. Similarly, see the third example. Each of the girls was given a prize, and every child is God gifted. Thank you, students. And you also watch part B and part C of subject verb agreement